If you need to recover your Dropbox account, but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Dropbox login page. Go to the Dropbox website and click on Sign In button. Enter your email address associated with your account and click on Forgot Your Password to start the recovery process. Step 2. Check your email. After requesting a password reset, check your email inbox for a message from Dropbox. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 3. Reset your password. Click on the link in the email to access the password reset page. Enter a new password that meets Dropbox's security requirements, then confirm it by entering it again. Click Submit to finalize the password change. Step 4. Use account recovery options. If you cannot access your email, click on the Need More Help link on the password reset page. Follow the prompts to verify your identity using any other recovery options available, such as answering security questions or using backup codes. Step 5. Contact Dropbox support. If you are still unable to recover your account, visit the Dropbox Help Center and submit a support request. Provide as much information as possible about your account to assist the support team in verifying your identity and restoring access. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Dropbox account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Dropbox support for further assistance.